Happy 78th Foundation Day Trinidad, Bohol. September 1, 2025. So nanapod tay pahula kung asa ning lugar. So you will find out, guys. Asa ko karon tubag. O sa makatubag ani guys, asang lugara na atay GCash price 100 pesos only. Please comment down below. And of course, only one comments accepted for each Facebook account. No retaining, so that you can select the best answer. All you have to do is just follow, share, comments, and like. And of course, subscribe. Para updated mo sa atong pahula at ikaw ang winner. Only one lucky winner. Good luck and God bless. Love you all. Bye-bye.